pwede pa sila gumawa ng appeal sa Office of the President such that parang kulang ang ginawa na effort from ABS-CBN. Lalabas para masabunan siguro ang It's Showtime, including probably Vice and Ayon, ang ayaw ng It's Showtime na malagay sila sa situation that they will have to put themselves in a situation na kailangan mag-apologize. At nakaka-bother talaga yung sinabi niyang unbothered. Yung pakapalan na lang ng mukha na pero palpak pa rin. It's a cabal. It's like parang sila-sila na lang mismo. Ano ito? It's really so unbecoming. Kahit sabihin pang mag-asawa, necking na yun eh. Itong desisyon na ito gonna be stained by the presence by the head of MTRCB. Parang mas gusto to kaysa sa Popeyes.
Miss Chicha is waking up!
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature. Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito? Oy mga kuya-kuy, this is Kuya Mike, ang kuya nyo sa Amerika, and this is for the Kuya-kuy list. O ayan na ha, nagbigay na ng denial ang MTRCB sa appeal ng It's Showtime sa pagka-suspension nila. No? That 12-day suspension na binigay ng MTRCB and nag-submit ang It's Showtime executives ng appeal or reconsideration about the 12-day suspension, and yet tinanggihan, denied. Pero so far, ang sabi naman from the statement of ABS-CBN ay magkakaroon pa rin ng It's Showtime, no? Dahil they will try to use and avail lahat ng mga possibilities na pwede nilang gawin regarding this suspension. In fact, even Lala Soto made that statement. Pwede pa sila gumawa ng appeal sa Office of the President. So, baka yun ang mangyari. What is quite interesting is that dun sa pagbigay ng appeal ng ABS-CBN, ang reklamo ni Lala Soto was that it seems nung binigay nila ng ABS-CBN yung kanilang reconsideration na yun, motion for reconsideration, parang hindi man lang nagpakita ang mga executives, hindi man lang gumawa ng effort to confer with the board such that parang kulang ang ginawa na effort from ABS-CBN regarding this situation. Kumbaga gusto nila Lala Soto magpakita man lang sa office ang mga tao na ito and show up to confer with them para makita at magkaroon ng dialogue. Kumbaga lalabas para masabunan siguro ang It's Showtime executives, including probably Vice and Ayon, dun sa mga pangyayari na ito. Hindi ko alam kung ganun nga ang nangyari, no? Para bang nag-submit lang sila ng kanilang appeal ang ABS-CBN, and perhaps hindi nila nakita na kailangan magkaroon ng effort ng dialogue. Sana naman lang nagpakita ang ABS-CBN doon. Although, baka ang ayaw ng It's Showtime na malagay sila sa situation that they will have to put themselves in a situation na kailangan mag-apologize or mag-sorry sa MTRCB. At least sana nagpakita without necessarily giving that position na kailangan mag-sorry sila. I don't know kung totoo ito o hindi. Pero yun ang lumalabas from Lala Soto. So far, tuloy pa rin ang It's Showtime. And if, let's just say, matuloy nga itong 12-day suspension, it's just really 2 weeks. 2 weeks na wherein for the Showtime host, makapagbakasyon or magawa nila yung kanilang mga kanya-kanyang mga other priorities. I think even Vice Ganda has given that assurance sa mga kasamahan niya na mga workers. Let's just say writers, mga sa propsmen, sa gumagawa ng kanilang mga sets, audio. So yung mga employees ng It's Showtime, parang Vice Ganda says that should be able to provide something, some help, some financial help during that 2-week period. And kung tuloy nga ito, no, this is going to be towards probably October. In a few days, October na actually. And that October month is yung kanilang anniversary. Pabonggahan na naman, just in case bumalik sila from the 12-day suspension. Ang nabother lang ako, to be honest about this, is that yung statement ni Lala Soto na until now, parang hindi niya makuha yung kanyang na yung conflict of interest na sinasabi. At nakaka-bother talaga yung sinabi niyang unbothered. Sino pa ba yung nagsalita ng unbothered? Ha? Yung pakapalan na lang ng mukha. Parang ganun. Na pero palpak pa rin. Ha? Na dating host dyan sa ABS-CBN. O ano nangyari sa karir? Di wala. Ganun din dun sa asawa niya na nagsabi na most powerful yung asawa niya. O ano nangyari sa kanila? Hindi na yan makakabalik sa ABS-CBN at I don't think makakabalik pa yan sa kanyang prominence yung taong ito. Dahil pakapala na lang ng mukha. And this is exactly what's going on. Conflict of interest. Talagang kitang-kita mo na dyan. Kasama pa yung kamag-anak niyang isa na si Val Soto. Ha? MTRCB part ng board. Si Val Soto. It's a cabal. It's like parang sila-sila na lang mismo. Ano ito? It's really so unbecoming. Ang family nandoon, very active pa rin sa loob ng television. And live rin. O tingnan mo ano nangyari, 'di ba? May ganung lubid situation, may parang supposedly halikan situation, kahit sabihin pang mag-asawa, necking na 'yun eh. Tapos meron pang nagmura. It's very volatile sa live shows na ito. And yet nandoon at pinaka-head ng MTRCB yung kamag-anak nila. So kahit sabihin mo pang tama itong desisyon na ito, gonna be stained by the presence by the head of MTRCB. You cannot take that out. It's going to be stained. Marurumihan lang yung desisyon na to. And every time na lalabas itong usapin na ito, ang lalabas, paano? Anak siya nung host ng kalaban ng It's Showtime. And yet, ang sasabihin ni Lala Soto, unbothered. And that, ang sasabihin niya, yung kanyang pinaka-basis ng kanyang mga decisions, yung kanyang spiritual conviction. Those are the things na nangyayari so far. No statement yet from Vice Ganda. So far, it's just Kim Chu who made that statement. But it's not really the end of the world for those na nanunood ng It's Showtime. Again, tuloy pa rin, and just in case it does happen, we'd be able to watch and replay yung mga videos sa YouTube. Dahil yun ang ating kasiyahan. In the meantime, I just hope na mapaisip si Ms. Lala Soto sa kanyang position na ito because it cannot be helped na isipin na this is really conflict of interest and she should not be there as chairwoman ng MTRCB. Alright, so again, ito po si Kuya Mike of the Kuyakoy List. It's a brands, branding, and shopping channel for the global Filipino. And subscribe po kayo sa ating channel and click on that notification bell. Again, ito si Kuya Mike, ang malamang nakaisa-isa at kauna-unang affiliate marketer na Filipino-American for online stores here in the United States. Ang kuya nyo sa Amerika, and this is for the Kuyakoy List.